Building an awesome gaming PC for under $400? Let's dive in. Starting with the heart of this build, the AMD Ryzen 5500. 6 cores, 12 threads, and clocked at 3.6 GHz for just $94. A beast for budget gaming. Pairing it with the MSI B450M-A PRO MAX. Reliable, compact, and perfect for this build. Next up, 16 GB of silicon-powered DDR4-3200 RAM. Dual channel for smooth multitasking and gaming performance. And it's just $30. For storage, we're using the Patriot P300 256 GB NVMe SSD. Lightning fast speeds at just $16. Now the star of the show, the XFX Radeon RX 588 GB GPU, a classic powerhouse for 1080p gaming, all for $130. Housing it all is the DIYPC F2 Mini Tower, compact, stylish, and affordable at $39. Finally, powering the rig is the Apevia Prestige 600-watt 80+ gold PSU, efficient and reliable for $52. And there you have it, a custom-built gaming PC ready for 1080p gaming, streaming, and more, all for under $400. What do you think of this build? Drop a like and comment if you'd rock this setup. Subscribe for more PC builds.